is Sherry here, giving you another super money maker. It's called Cash Fiesta. It's a really cool site. All you do is you download this toolbar right here and you let it run while you're surfing the net, and you gain points. And the more points you gain, the more money you make, which is really cool. All you gotta do is just make sure this little guy is walking, and that's how they know that you're running the bar. And it just shows advertisement at the bottom, and you don't even have to click on the advertisement. Just let it run there and do whatever you do, surf online and stuff, and then you gain points. And you gain even more points when you do the referral. Like when you refer people, you get their points, and this is like how the referrals go. And I used this like last year. I made a lot of money once I updated my system, because I forgot my password, so I had to start all over. But that's okay, because I have this really cool trick that'll get you this many points. I already have like over 9,000 points, and this is the beginning, like 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time of the second day, and I already got a lot of points. I got this really cool trick where you don't have to worry about this guy or surfing online or this bar, and you'll still get points. It's a really cool trick, and basically it averages out to like about $200 to $300 a week, just off the points in a referral. The trick that I have that helps you to make a lot of money is really cool. It's really easy, and once you sign up with a link that's over that way, you just sign up, and I'll send you my full trick. And once you use it, you're not gonna have to worry about anything. You're not gonna have to worry about this guy or your points. Your points are just gonna keep going, even if you're not using your computer. It's really cool. You have any questions, please subscribe, comment. I answer everything. So you guys take care, and take a look at this. Sign up, because it's really cool. Do what you already do and just let this little bar run. You don't even have to click on the ads. So I'll talk to you guys later, and have a nice one.